Hello students, this is me Saurav Avasthi, English faculty of Mount Litera G School, Jhansi. Today we are going to start the new chapter, that is Packing of class 9th, written by Jerome K. Jerome. So now let's discuss few points about the author. Jerome Kalabka Jerome was born on May 2nd, 1859 in Caldmore, Walsall, England. He obtained his school education at St. Mary Le Bon Grammar School. He was an English writer and humorist. He is best known for the comic travelogue Three Men in a Boat. Apart from this, he wrote some essay collection with Idle Thoughts of an Idle Fellow, Second Thoughts of an Idle Fellow, Three Men on the Bummel, and some other novels. Here, students, Jerome wished to enter politics or be a man of letters, but the death of his parents forced him to quit his studies and find work to support himself. So this was all about the writer of the story, who is Jerome K. Jerome. Now let's begin with the introduction of the story now. Here the chapter Packing is taken from the novel Three Men in a Boat, written by Jerome K. Jerome. The story is about the art of packing. The chapter is about a humorous incident which happened when the narrator and his other two friends were packing for a boat trip. Here, the three friends, George, Harris, and Jerome, the narrator himself, decided to go on a holiday. Jerome was very proud of his packing, so he offered to do the task of packing the bag. The narrator hated other people relaxing while he was working. So now let's see that what is going to happen in the story when the packing is going to be started. So before that, let's go through about the characters. So the first character is Jerome, who is the narrator, who considers himself to be the master of packing. He was so confident that he knows that he can do the packing very easily. Now the second one is Harris, a friend of the narrator who irritates him by raising his legs on the table when the narrator was packing the bag. So this was the second character of the story. Now the third one is George, who is also another friend of the narrator, who sat on a chair while the narrator was packing the bag. And the last one is Montmorency. He was a pet dog of the narrator. He irritated George and Harris by sitting on things that were to be packed. This dog was so naughty that at last he was chased down by Harris. So now let's start with the concept which has been used in this chapter by the narrator, where we are going to study that what is going to happen in this story, the packing. So let's see this. Packing is a very humorous description by Jerome K. Jerome. It is an extract from Three Men in a Boat. The story revolves around the incident of packing. During the course of packing, the three friends commit several silly mistakes. They have to reopen the bag and put things again and again into the bag Through this story, the author tells us that the thing that seems to be very easy may not be as easy as we think. Packing things in a bag is not a difficult task, but it made a mess because it was not done with a proper plan. So now, this was all about the characters and the theme of the chapter. Now we are going to start with the summary of this chapter, the packing, where you can see in the picture how these three friends are sitting over here and they are packing for their trip. So now let's begin with the summary. So here the narrator was going on a trip with his friends George and Harris. He told them that he would do the packing. They accepted his offer and relaxed while he packed the bag. The narrator's real intention was to supervise his friends in packing. He wanted to teach his friends how to pack. However, they misinterpreted him, and as a result, narrator had to do the packing. And now here you will see that when later he had put the boots in the package, he opened the bag and packed the boots into the bag. When he was going to close his bag, a horrible idea came to his mind. If he had packed his toothbrush, he turned everything. He found toothbrushes of George and Harris more than 18 times, but could not find out his toothbrush. He put the things back one by one. Then he found it inside a boot and packed the things once more. The bag finally got finished at 10:05 p.m. Now it was turn of George and Harris to do the rest of the packing. So now let's see that what happened after that. Now, the task of packing hampers was taken by George and Harris, on which narrator agreed. Both started packing in cheerful nature, showing narrator how to do it. However, according to narrator, Harris was the worst packer in the world. Here George asked the narrator whether he had packed the soap or not. The narrator got extremely angry hearing this, as he had already opened and packed the bag a few times. So George and Harris now thought to do the rest of the packing. And now what they did, you can see over here that the situation becomes more and more worst. They broke a cup. Harris packed the strawberry jam on top of a tomato and squeezed it. George stepped on the butter. They packed the pies at the bottom and squeezed them by putting heavy thing over them. They upset everything. George got the butter off his slipper and tried to put it in the kettle, but it wouldn't go in, and what was in wouldn't come out. At last, they dragged it out all and put it down the chair. Harris sat on it and butter stuck to him. They searched the whole room but couldn't able to find. Lastly, George got round at the back of Harris and saw it, and they got it off and packed it in the teapot. Thus, they made a mess over there. You can see in the picture also. Now, as they got free, what is going to happen? Now, Montmorency, the dog, is going to join them during the time of packing. So now, Montmorency, narrator's pet, who is a dog right now, came and sat down on the things. He put his leg into the jam and scattered the teaspoons. He went into the hamper and attacked 3 lemons, thinking them to be rats, as he was shooed away by Harris. So the things were becoming more and more worst during the time of packing, and here at last Harris said that it was the narrator who encouraged the dog for these things. So now, after all, at last, Harris he just took a frying pan and asked the Montmorency to run away from there. So like this, they got rid of the dog who was there to have some fun. And like this, they got very much tired and they were frustrated till that time. Now, the packing was over and finally the packing was done at 12:50 a.m. They decided to go to sleep. George asked when he should wake them. After little arguments, they decided to wake up at 6:30 and finally here they were ready for their trip on which they were going. So this was the story of the packing. Now, at last, I would like to discuss about the message which has been given through this story by the writer. And the message is that we must have proper knowledge of packing. In the absence of knowledge, we are bound to face problems. As suffered by 3 friends, like here in the story Packing by George, Harris, and Jerome. And of course, we also learn that while packing, we must avoid the final stage of packing for some time. Our quick decision may create problems for our happy journey. So, I hope that you all must have understood the concept of packing, where the message has been given to you all that you should be prepared and should not wait for the last moment to pack your things while you are preparing for your journey or for anything, for any trip, any tour, whatever. So, I hope that you must have got the idea. So now, thank you so much. Stay healthy, stay safe, and stay at home. Thank you so much.